Natural remedies for repairing intestines. Incorporating natural remedies into your diet can significantly improve intestinal health. One of the most effective ways to support gut health is by consuming probiotics-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in the gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing the immune system. Including these foods in your daily routine can help replenish the good bacteria in your intestines, aiding in the repair process. In addition to probiotics, fiber-rich foods play a crucial role in maintaining intestinal health. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are packed with dietary fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, you support your digestive system and boost your overall nutrient intake. Hydration is another essential aspect of gut health that is often overlooked. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the digestive system functioning smoothly and aids in the absorption of nutrients. Herbal teas such as ginger or peppermint can also be beneficial for soothing the digestive tract and reducing bloating. These natural remedies promote hydration and offer additional health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Focusing on these natural remedies, probiotic-rich foods, fiber-filled fruits and vegetables, and adequate hydration can help you take significant steps toward repairing your intestines and improving your gut health naturally. Lifestyle changes for better gut health. These changes can significantly enhance your intestinal health and support the repair process. One of the most effective modifications is incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise promotes digestion by stimulating the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, helping food move more efficiently through the system. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a more intense workout, staying active can reduce bloating and improve overall gut function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap these benefits. In addition to physical activity, managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Chronic stress can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your intestines and lead to digestive issues. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Taking time daily to engage in these practices can improve your mental well-being and positively impact your gut health. Sleep is another vital component of overall health that should not be overlooked. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, including the cells in your digestive system. Lack of sleep can lead to increased inflammation and exacerbate gut-related issues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support your body's natural healing processes. By adopting these lifestyle changes, regular physical activity, effective stress management, and prioritizing sleep, you can create a supportive environment for your intestines to heal and thrive. These modifications enhance gut health and contribute to well-being, leading to a healthier life.